Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your speaker EDIFIER D32. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect app. Of course you need to add your speaker to the application and then you will see the same menu. Go to the sound effects. And right here we have 4 presets what EDIFIER offer for us and a custom one. Select the best one for you by just tap on it. Let's say I wanna dynamic. And now I use this preset, so we can go back and we see that it uses a dynamic preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!